Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a MOMAX BR7 PINPOP wireless tracking device and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If the device will not pair with your devices or it won't connect, or if it's not being detected or not being found, then a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set it up on new devices and just clear all the history out of it. This hard reset will restore the factory default settings like as if it were a new tracker. If you want to do that, it's pretty simple to do. What you need to do is actually remove the battery, and then when you remove the battery, you can put it back in. And when you put it back in, you will hear it will make an audible little sound when it starts up. When it makes that sound, you want to immediately remove the battery. And then you want to put it back in. It will make the sound again, and you will immediately remove the battery. If you keep doing this on the 5th time that you do this, you will hear that the audible sound that it makes is different from the previous 4 times, and that will indicate that it has been factory reset to default settings.